Today I'm going to show you how to enable motion tracking in Premiere Pro, okay? Here's how you do it. So I have a video here of a tennis player. I've enabled rulers and the grid. If you haven't done that, you just press them down here or press the plus arrow, drag and drop them, and then press them, okay? After that, I'm going to adjust the scale a little bit just so that this video is more zoomed in so there's no risk of a black background coming through. That's now done. And I'm then going to drag and drop the transform effect onto our video, okay? Now in the effect controls, what I'm going to do is I'm going to press transform and you'll see this little grid, or this little cursor has popped up. Don't press it yet, okay? Because there's two grids there and you want to be moving position. So just adjust your position a little bit so that that anchor point you can now pretty much grab. Okay, now adjust it so that where you get the crosshairs, that's where the tennis ball is. Then just press that little stopwatch. Okay, now I would go forward 1 to 3 frames. I'm going to do 3 just because it's a tutorial, but 1 will be a better effect. It will look better. Okay, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to press transform again, and I'm going to move the video. So this is why I zoomed in, okay? The video I have isn't great, so I have that black background, but it's going to show you the same thing. Another keyframe is added, 3 again, move it again, 3 frames again. That was very tedious, but it's done now, okay? I've made all these keyframes, as you can see here. Then I want to scroll down, uncheck this box, and I'm going to add the shutter angle to 30, just to add a nice bit of blur. Okay, now let's play the video again from the beginning. Motion tracking, okay? That's how you do it in Premiere Pro, okay? It's very tedious, but that is how you do it. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.